In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Binance. So first of all, download the Binance app, click on it, and then you will see Welcome to Binance. And in here, you need to create an account. So you can either log in with your Google, your Apple, or your Telegram. And in this tutorial, I'm just going to log in with my email. So I'm going to enter my email and then I will click on Next. So right now we have entered our email and we are in our account. And the next step is to get you verified. So in order to use Binance, you will need a verified account. So I'm just going to fill in my details in here and then I will click on continue, and I will not show this due to security reasons. So if you have entered your legal name and stuff like that, you will need to verify your identity by uploading the document that you chose. So let's do that right now. So after you have uploaded your identification documents and after you have made a selfie, you will be in this screen where you need to fill in your employment status. So go ahead and fill this in and click on continue. Select which payment channel you will use. Select your main source of income. Select what you will use Binance for. Select the industry where you work. Select the Binance products that you intend to use. And as you can see right now, everything will be under review and this will take around an hour. So right now we can go to the home page and then we need to just wait in order for it to complete. So that is how you create an account and verify on Binance. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.